Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 kilometers. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.